Welcome back to RDT HiFi. Today we got a special unboxing here. We got the Letshuoer S12 2024 edition. I'm gonna do the unboxing first because there's a lot of stuff in here. So I got this special. I got a good deal on it. It usually costs like $200, but I got it for 150, something like that. They had a deal going on Amazon. So the thing about this IEM is a special edition. So they come with a bunch of stuff in here, like gifts and other stuff. You can gonna see this says the experience, the charm of music with Letshuoer. Letshuoer Sound Alive. So we're gonna put this box aside. We're gonna go to the another box here. So I have started seeing a few reviews of this, and I already know what's in the box, but I just want to go with you through it with you guys so you guys can see it. If you haven't seen it, you can see it now. I'm gonna open the golden box here. Here we have it. We got the Letshuoer. They have another box in here. I don't think there's nothing else in there. Nothing inside the box. Here's the specifications. I'm gonna go through that when I do the full review of it, but yeah, this is a nice unboxing experience. We have another box, and here we have it. We have the Letshuoer 8 anniversary. So they're supposed to be only uh 2024 of these. I don't know if there's a serial number here that can let me know about that, but it should be somewhere inside here. You can see here, Letshuoer 8 anniversary. I'm looking to see if I can get a number. Yeah, this is very nice. Let me see what else we got here. I don't think there's nothing else inside here. Yep. And we're gonna go to the next box here. Okay, here we go. What we have inside. Oh, okay, these are the tips. Okay, Letshuoer. I don't know what this is. Got the tips. We got the balance ear tips. No, the vocals. These are the vocals, the first ones. The balance are the second, and memory foam ear tips. Very nice. Okay, what do we have here? Warranty card. Is this a sticker? I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's like I think it's a sticker. And these are the instructions. There's nothing else inside it, I think. And now we have the IEMs here. They're the same color of the box. It's like gold. Very nice. I'm gonna open the case first. This is a nice case. And it comes with the 4.4 millimeter. No, that's the. I think this is the. I think this is a 4. This is, yeah, this is 2.5, 3.5, and 4.4 millimeters. The cable, wow, this is nice. This is a nice cable. You can feel it. Nice cable. And here you have your. So you can change whatever you want to use with them. Here are the IEMs. Look at that. I'm still looking if I can see a number on them. Like I said before, there's supposed to be only 2,000 of them. 2000, 2024 of them. I'm seeing a number there, but yeah. I'll let you know guys later when I do the review. So, but they're very nice. Look at that. Look at that I am. They're a little bit heavy too, yeah. So these are planar magnetics IEMs. I'm gonna be doing a comparison between these and the one that I reviewed before, the RT10 T10 Pros. Very nice. So that I think that's it for now. I just wanted to, oh, I have another box here. What we have inside here? I almost forgot I had something else. Oh, look at that. A keychain, I think. This is nice stuff here. I can get it out. Look at that. Yeah, this is like a key change. Like I said before, they include a lot of stuff in this unboxing experience. Yeah, so this is now for it. Like I said, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm beginning to do videos again. If you guys haven't seen the video that I did, and we're gonna do a lot of fun stuff. We're gonna do giveaways again, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys into the next one. Bye bye.